my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. First, we have the die set right here. Don't look at this because I know it's exciting, but we have the die set that says Happy New Year. Do you like to send out Happy New Year cards? Well, you know what? Here's an example of an awesome Happy New Year, a party hat, but this die set is now available. I have another sample to share with you. Look at how gorgeous that is with the glitter. So fun. So go check out the Happy New Year die set. I also have a new stamp set. This is called Lots of Thanks to Stamp. Now, chances are you do happy birthday cards and thank you cards the most. Well, here is the perfect thank you set that has lots of different options for the words thank you. So we have a big thank you. We have a thanks. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I just wanted to say thank you for being awesome. Thanks bunches. Be thankful. Thanks. Thank you for being the reason I smile. Isn't that awesome? So sweet. So that is now brand new on our website. Now, we have two other items that you might already have, but maybe not. I took on HSN this exciting Swirl A2 size card. Now, why is this the most important card base you ever had? Now, chances are you need this. And if you bought my other one that I designed for the other company, you're okay. You don't have to have this one. But if you don't have that one, the die I said you had to have, this is another one that you have to have. In fact, we've recently updated the packaging. So you might get one that looks like this, or you might get one that looks like this. Guess what? It's the same die set. We just changed the packaging a little because in the corner here, it says the die you have to have. It makes an A2 size card. Why do you need to have a die set like this? Well, it has a lot of fun dies on the back. It has a swirl, it has other big swirls, it has a whole bunch of different fun things. The most important thing though is the biggest die in this kit. Why? How many times, and let me find a piece, how many times have you that's not even a good one. How many times have you taken an A2 size, an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock? You've taken it to your trimmer and you've trimmed it in half perfectly. Then you've taken it to your scoring tool and you've scored it in half perfectly to make the perfect A2 size card. You folded it together and the corners do not line up. It's a conspiracy. Why did they not line up? Then you have to take it to your trimmer and trim a little bit on this side, turn it and trim a little bit on this side. Then you have to turn the other side and trim a little bit on that side. Now it's not even an A2 size card. It's like smaller. It's A1. I'm telling you, it happens every single time. Am I right? Almost every single time at least. Well, the most important die in this set is the largest one because it makes the perfect A2 size card. In fact, this die set, look, I grabbed it. It was right here. It never gets put away at where I am because this die right here, the most important die you'll ever have, makes the perfect A2 size card. Now we also have the sister die to this, and I don't have that one out, but it also has the rounded corners. This one and that one you kind of have to have because then you don't have to worry about all those other straightening and trimming and all that icky stuff. You don't have to do that. Perfect A2 size card. So definitely you have to have it. In fact, the packaging even says it, right? So if you got that one on, if you got the one that looks like this on HSN, you're a step ahead of everybody else. You're good to go. Now, another die set that we're kind of resurrecting, shall we say, I designed for the other company and now they have retired it. So now I'm bringing it back under my brand, which is nice because we're able to control inventory better and there's a lot of good positive things. But it's another die that you kind of really, really, really want. Why is that? Well, let's look at it. We're calling it the small scallop, but look at this. Dun, 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 dun. It's the perfect A2 size card with scalloped edges all the way around. How many of you, and raise your hands if this is you, because it's me, I know that. How many of you remember back in the day when we had those Fiskars scissors that had all the different fun edges and the different fun, decal edge and cloud? This is the cloud, technically. I mean, not really exactly, I didn't measure, but this is the one I designed to match the cloud. It was light blue, and it was my favorite. I loved it. Can you imagine die cutting this and then trying to take your decorative scissors to make this fun border? No way, Jose, right? It wouldn't happen. It just wouldn't right. So this one makes a perfect A2 size card with the beautiful small scallop all the way around. Now it also has other dice that go with it. It's really fun. It has this fun scalloped edge that's like an eyelet. Actually, let's even look at the samples. Let's just grab all the samples because it has all these fun drop-in dies. Now, this one says happy birthday. So you're getting the scalloped edge, you're getting this eyelet edge, and you're getting the words happy birthday. Or what if you wanted to say, you are so kind? You can do that also. Or what if you wanted to say thanks? It comes with thanks as well. So it comes with all three of those options. It comes with a fun eyelet. Now you don't have to use any of those words if you don't want to. You can just drop in something totally different. And there's another sample. Thanks. Ooh, here's a fun one. Happy birthday. Perfect A2 size card. How can you go wrong? Here we go. Happy birthday. Now, it comes with the eyelet, or you can do the solid as well. Now, this is not a finished card, but this is just a sample to show you that you can do thanks. Oh, and here's the other one. So you can do you are so kind with the eyelet or the solid, thanks, and happy birthday. So you get to mix and match, mix and match. Possibilities are almost endless. Here's another one. This one says thanks. So you're getting those three words, those three sets to drop in. Now, let's look at also our swirls, because we briefly talked about this one. This is the one you have to have, right? But look at this gorgeous background swirl die. And I have the perfect sample to show you. Oh, actually, hang on. Let me see. I die cut it just so you could really see it. But look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that pretty? Pretty, pretty, pretty. Now, it comes with other swirls to add. So see the swirls with the shadows. It comes with those also. But look at this one. This one's going to kind of knock your socks off. Look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that beautiful? You can see through it. Oh, it's so pretty. Now, it also even comes, I know, this one has everything. You have to have it. This one also has this rectangle here and these double rectangles here. Those are separate from the swirls because they are able to make you design. See this gray frame? It makes the perfect grid. The perfect grid. Look at that. 2 windows up here and a big window down here. Here's a cute one. That's a birthday one, a bear one. Ooh, let's go Christmas. Why not do Christmas? Here's the one that's on the packaging. So pretty. Ooh, here's a better example of that grid. Look at that green. See all the green? That is the grid that you can design using that. And that was with my punch alphabet, which is so fun. Ooh, look at how pretty this one is. That swirl is just gorgeous. You're going to really love that swirl. Perfect for dun, 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 wedding cards. Isn't that beautiful? Or thank you cards. Here's another thank you. Gorgeous in the black. Isn't that pretty? Now, here's some of those swirls in action and dun, 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 that grid. So you can really see that grid. So you can tell that it looks so fun and you can make your own grid, which is really exciting. Now, club members, missed one. Here's another one with the fun grid. And then let's look at our thanks stamps. Here, I just wanted to say thank you for being awesome. And then it says, thanks a lot, thanks, thank you, and some fun flowers. Here's another one. Thanks bunches. Ooh, here's a cute one. Thanks a lot, thanks, thanks, thanks. Everywhere you see, it says thanks. Here's a cute step-up card. Thanks a bunch. And, ooh, this one's nice because look how bold that is. Thank you so much. I love it. Now, club members, of course, you get the club discount on these products. If you are not in the club, you have to join because you're missing out. And you know what? You don't want to miss out. And getting happy mail is oh so fun. Thank you so much. Don't forget to go check us out on Instagram as well. And if I went too fast on any of these samples, go check out our online gallery. All of them are there. You can see them. You can print them. You can favorite them. You can do whatever you want. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.